Hello and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson I will show you how to use many useful methods from the Java Math class. It's a built-in class to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. Let me show you how to use the mathematical methods in Java in action. Our first example is about using the max method from the math class. The max method is used to find the highest value of two values x and y. As in this example here, the max value or the highest value of these two values is 70, not 30. This is the largest value, and the println method to display the value of this operation or the result on the screen through the console window, exactly as you can see in the console window. After compiling and running this program, we got 70 in the output. Another useful method from the math class is the min method, and you can use it to find the lowest value of two values x and y also. The lowest value here is 30, not 70 in this example here. Run the program and you will get this 30 in the console window. This is the lowest value of these two values. This is so easy. Type the math class followed by the dot notation followed by the name of the method, which is min in this case, to get the minimal or the smallest value of two values, and the println method after that to display the result on the screen. Use the variable name that contains this mathematical operations inside the round braces of the println method, and this will give you in the console window the final result. Our next example will be about the round method from the math class in the Java programming language. The math.round method in Java is used to round a number to its closest integer number. Type math.round and inside the round braces, as you can see, double data type. This is floating point number inside the round braces of the round method. After that, another example here. This is called round down, and inside the round braces of the round method also another number 35.545, and the println method to display the rounded number for round up and also for the round down variable. After all of that, hit the run button to compile and run this program, and you will get these results here: 35.0, then 36.0. The value of the round up operation or the round up variable now is this rounded number 35.0, and the value of the round down operation or the round down variable is equal to 36.0. The closest number to this number 35.445 is equal to 35.0, and the closest number to 35.545 is 36.0. Next, let's talk about the CEL method. The CEL method is used to round the specified double value upward and return it. The rounded value will be equal to the mathematical integer. That is, the value 10.343 in this example will be rounded to 11.0, which is equal to integer 11. That's it, easily. After running the program, you will get this output in the console window, 11.0, which is equal to integer number 11. So easy, as you can see. You can try this with another number. The floor method in the Java programming language is used to round the specified double value downward and return it, and the rounded value in this case will be equal to a mathematical integer. That is, in this example here, the value 10.343 will be rounded to 10.0, which is equal to integer 10. This is so easy and so simple. Assign this operation to a variable called new floor, and you can call it any valid name you wish, and this is a double variable. And after that, the println method on the next line to display the result or to print out the result for this operation. Another useful method from the math class in the Java programming language is the abs method, and you can use it to return the absolute or positive value of a value. Let me show you that. Type the math class followed by the dot notation followed by the abs method. Place a value inside the round braces of the abs method here, as you can see, and the println method to display or to print out the output or the result for this operation on the screen. The variable name is the new absolute variable. Hit the run button and you will get 15.9. This is the absolute value for minus 15.9. You will get this positive value 15.9 in the console window. If you want to get the square root of a value in the Java programming language, you can use the square root method from the math class. And we have a simple example here, math.squareroot, and give it a value inside the round braces, 100 in this example, and the println method to display the square root of 100, which is 10 in the console window, as you can see, 10.0. This is the square root of 100, and you can try to put another number inside the round braces of the square root method from the math class. For instance, let's change 100 to 25 and compile and run the program again, and you will get the square root for this number, which is 5.0. The square root of 25 is equal to 5. Another useful method from the math class in Java is the random method. The random method returns a random number between 0.0 and 1.0. As in this example here, math.random, then the println method to display the new rand value or the result for this operation. And you can see this is a random number, and each time you run this program you will get a random number between 0 and 1. Assume we want to get random number between 0 and 100. To do this, you can use the random method also from the math class in the Java programming language, random integer number between 0 and 100. And you can use this formula here, as you can see, int math.random multiplied by 101, and after that the println method to display the new result, the new random number. Each time you run this program you will get a random number between 0 and 100. Hit the run button for many times, you will get random values in between 0 and 100. It's so simple, as you can see. Try to do this by yourself also to master these concepts. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next lesson.